All right, shooting the suppressed MP5. Nice.
I can't tell much difference between the subsonic and the regular ammo. They're both super silent.
Okay. All right. This is me shooting the UMP 45. Eat your heart out. Woo! That's got a little recoil to it.
A little bit. Here's Hank shooting the UTAS 12 gauge. Oh my God.
Awesome. Woo! How's that recoil? Not bad. Doesn't look bad.
Here, I'm gonna put on safety.
Here I am.
Take two. Oh, you got the release, yeah.
Woo! Dang!
Yeah.
Alright, let me tell you. 3 rounds with that bad boy is enough.
Yeah. You wanna try it?